once you get finished with your warping your loom, you're going to plan out your sketches. You're going to do 3 thumbnail sketches. That is the minimum requirement. You can, of course, do more than that. You're going to be working on the horizontal, and you can make a decision about if it's going to be symmetrical, where it's the same at the top and the bottom. Do you want curves in it? Do you want a simple curve, or do you want more of a wave curve? Do you want to add shapes? You can certainly do squares. Stay away from circles, though. This particular one is showing that I'm leaving the warp open. That's what those vertical lines mean. And that may be something that you want to do, is to leave a hole or leave openings in your weaving. Once you get that part done, then you're going to plan your color. Now remember, you have a full page of different color schemes, from analogous, monochromatic, to warm and cool, to complementary. This particular one, you can see that I went with the cool colors. I chose to use the same green repeatedly, but there are different yarns of green, and you may want to do 2 different types of greens. And then you have your warm color one, and then you have this odd one here. In my opinion, I think it works a little bit better when they're equal. Keep in mind that your yarn comes in different thicknesses. Most yarn is standard that we have. It's just a basic thin yarn. And then we have some that have a texture to it that are fuzzy. So keep that in mind, that if you want to use those, they're going to be able to take up and weave areas a little faster, but they're also going to be a little harder to weave if they're fuzzy. So make a plan, and then we'll execute one of those for your weaving.